Ever feel like your home is clean, but the energy still feels heavy? Like the stress from your day is literally stuck in the air? There's a simple, ancient trick to completely reset your space. And the key ingredient is probably sitting in your kitchen pantry right now: salt. For centuries, cultures have believed that spaces hold onto emotional residue. But salt has long been revered as a powerful purifier. Its crystalline structure is thought to absorb and neutralize that stagnant energy, essentially wiping your home's energetic slate clean. Here's how to perform the simple saltwater cleanse. The most important part is your intention. So as you do this, focus on your goal of clearing out heaviness to invite in peace. Step 1. The mix. Grab a few small bowls and fill them about halfway with water. Add a few generous tablespoons of salt to each one. Sea salt or any natural salt is great for this. Step 2. Placement. Take your bowls of salt water and place them around your home. The most effective spots are the corners of a room where energy can get stuck. Start with whatever room feels the heaviest. Perhaps the bedroom for better sleep, or the living room. Placing one near your front door is also a great way to neutralize energy as it enters. Step 3. Wait. Leave the bowls in place for at least 24 hours. This gives the salt and water enough time to do their work and absorb whatever needs to be cleared out. Step 4. Disposal. This final step is crucial. The water is now believed to hold the very energy you wanted to remove, so you need to dispose of it properly. Flush it down the toilet to send it far away from your home. Do not pour it down your kitchen sink or into your garden. Afterward, the most important result is how the room feels to you. Does the air feel lighter? Do you feel more at ease? That is the real measure of success. If you want to boost the effects of the ritual, you can layer in a couple of other simple practices. While the salt bowls are doing their thing, open your windows. Letting in fresh air and sunlight is one of the easiest ways to move stagnant energy out. Also, try a mini declutter. Just take 5 minutes to clear one small surface, like a coffee table or a countertop. Symbolically, clearing physical blocks helps clear energetic ones. Your home is your sanctuary, and this salt ritual is a powerful way to reclaim your space and ensure it feels peaceful. Remember, your intention is what gives the practice its power. Have you ever tried a salt cleanse or another method for clearing energy? I would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Give it a try. You have nothing to lose but that heavy feeling and a whole lot of peace to gain. If this ritual brought you a little more clarity or calm, I invite you to like this video. It helps this peaceful message reach more people who might need it. And if you're on a journey toward inner peace, Buddhist wisdom, and energy cleansing practices like this one, consider subscribing to my channel, The Inner Peace Project. This space is dedicated to helping you create a calmer, more conscious life. One gentle shift at a time. Tap that bell so you don't miss the next practice. Your peace is worth it.